Hi guys, I have printed a box for my Raspberry Pi 4, but this my 3D printer is not calibrated 100%. It's about is 80% because there is a problem. You will see here. Okay, first I will leave these files in the description. You can download, and then I will build this. Okay, I will. You can see that the base fits properly. Now I'm going to mount the up base this way. You can see guys, I will push with little strange, but there is a problem. My 3D printer, as I said before, is not calibrated 100%, and here is a problem. It doesn't fit properly, but I will reduce this border with a Dremel and this problem should be fixed. Okay guys, now I fixed this problem but using a Dremel. You can see now that it fits properly. Now I should get a ventilator. This one comes when I purchased the Raspberry Pi, but it's too slower, very light, very tiny. I need a more bigger fan. You can see here. You can download these files and print it by your own. Okay guys, that's it. Like, subscribe, bye bye.